Hey friends, this is Audrish and welcome back to my channel Huge Mood. So in this video I will be showing you how to make WhatsApp sticker from an image file or a picture. So watch this video till the end because I am going to explain all these steps. So follow these steps and make WhatsApp stickers from your favorite images or pictures. So without further delay, let's get into it. So friends, now I will show you how to make stickers for WhatsApp in a simple way. So first you have to download an application from Play Store and the name of the application is Sticker Maker. So I have already downloaded this application, so I am going to open it. So as we can see here, it is written create a new sticker pack. So I will click on it and then you have to give a sticker pack name. So I am giving Huge Mood and you have to give a author name. So I am giving Audrish and hit create. So as we can see, it got selected and we'll click on this sticker pack. In the entire layout there are 30 sticker options that you can make or you can create. You can create 30 stickers. So now I am going to first create a tray icon. So I will click on it and will select it from the gallery. I will select this image. As the image got selected, then we'll click on Freehand. Then we'll select this like outline. We'll make sure that all the edges are selected properly. As you can see, the sticker got selected properly. So we'll click on save sticker. So my tree icon is selected and now I will create the stickers. So first we'll click on it and we'll click on open gallery and then we'll select from open gallery and we'll select any image. Like if you want to select this image, then we'll click on it and we'll zoom a little bit. As you can see, like this, a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. So now I will click on Freehand, then we'll select the entire thing like this. So as you can see, the sticker got selected and by clicking on save sticker I can save it. So here as you can see, I have selected this sticker. So I'm going to make few more stickers and will show you how you can add it to WhatsApp. So friends, now as you can see, I have made 4 stickers, so I'm going to add it and you can make at least 30 stickers. As you can see, you have got 30 options. So now I'm going to add these stickers to WhatsApp and will show you how it works. So I'm clicking on add to WhatsApp and then I will click on add. So as you can see, sticker has been added to WhatsApp, so it's showing. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp. So now I will check that whether the stickers got added in my WhatsApp or not. So I will click on stickers, and then this here, all my stickers got selected over here. So it's really very interesting. So I'm sending all my stickers. As you can see, it's really easy, so you can try it, and it's the most easiest way of creating WhatsApp stickers. Try it and let me know in the comment section below if you find it helpful. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, just let me know in the comment section below, and like, share, subscribe. So we'll catch up in my next video. Till then, bye.